We are going to review top 5 best longboards. Let's get started. List number 1. Volador 42-inch freeride longboard complete cruiser. Durable, flexible, and affordable, this high-performance Volador freeride longboard is a nice choice for both beginners and experienced longboarders. Constructed from an 8-ply natural hardwood maple, the strong deck has a huge weight limit of 250 pounds and offers excellent shock absorption. The tough deck also provides exceptional grip, while the adjustable, aluminum reverse kingpin trucks provide great maneuverability. The wheels allow for a smooth ride, but they're a bit soft, so stick to paved roads, paths, or parks rather than rough terrain. With a wide range of retro, modern, and flashy graphics, it shouldn't be hard to find a design that complements your personal style. List number 2. Atom Drop-Through 41-inch. A low deck and maximum stability make this Atom Drop-Through longboard an ideal longboard for carving your way down a well-paved hill. Its ease of pushing also makes it a nice pick for long-distance cruising, riding around town, or commuting on campus. The maple drop-through deck provides 9.6 inches of leverage, eliminating wheel bite and making it easier to carve back and forth on the road. The price tag is a little steep, but, for the phenomenal performance and quality features, it's well worth it. The board comes with a 12-month warranty and can support up to 250 pounds. Ultra-low riding longboard ensures maximum stability, making it ideal for downhill carving. Ease of pushing takes wear and tear out of around-town commutes. List number 3. Place and Drop-Through Freestyle Longboard. Getting the hang of longboarding takes some practice, but having the right board can make a huge difference. With superb stability and low ground clearance, the durable, smooth riding Place and Drop-Through Freestyle Longboard is an ideal choice to start cruising around your neighborhood. The big, soft polyurethane wheels are also perfect for beginner riders. The strong 5-ply maplewood and 2-ply bamboo deck can withstand bumps and carves with minimal wear, and it will support up to 250 pounds. The SHR78A wheels are great. This board, hard enough for firm steering yet soft enough to make a smooth ride. Anyone should be capable of having fun on it, regardless of height. List number 4. Quest Super Cruiser 44-inch longboard. Despite its brand name and top-notch materials, the Quest Super Cruiser is a reasonably priced longboard, making it an excellent entry point for beginners. Made with bamboo and maple, the longboard has a 7-ply, 44-inch deck and lightweight aluminum trucks. It also features wheel wells to prevent wheel grab when you're making tight turns. Whether you want a board for kicking around town, cruising the boardwalk, or getting to class, this durable, attractive board is a nice, affordable option. Its high weight capacity of 280 pounds makes it a suitable choice for larger riders. List number 5. MBS All-Terrain Longboard. If you're looking for a longboard that can handle just about any type of terrain, you may want to consider this one from MBS. It's an all-terrain longboard that you can bring everywhere, including dirt trails, tough concrete paths, or basic paved streets. The 39-inch board has a super low, drop-down deck that's made with a stiff, 10-ply maple lam. But what really sets it apart is its texturized, high-rebound urethane wheels, which are built for traction and speed. Ready to handle rides off the beaten path and roll over anything, the wheels are rated at 78A and measure 100 mm in diameter by 65 mm in depth. This heavy-duty board is perfect for longboarders who want to go off-road or bigger people,